I'll be showing you the top SMS abandoned cart apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews so you can start recovering sales and getting more customers, hopefully leading to higher profitability. So let's dive into our first app here. It's called Retrevo SMS Abandoned Cart. So you can recover your carts with automated text messages, such as this example here. Hey Emma, it seems you forgot something in your cart. Finish your order before the product runs out of stock. You can also send them a discount code if they haven't ordered anything. And since SMS has such high open rates, especially in comparison with email, I believe SMS is around 90%, whereas email is below 20%, at least the last time I checked. SMS can help convert those abandoned carts very efficiently. It's also going to have a detailed analytics dashboard so you can track how much was spent and how much revenue was generated. They're going to have pre-built templates so you can start recovering abandoned carts very quickly. It's also going to give you the ability to create your own branded SMS automations, whether that's adding coupon codes, and you can also set it up to send multiple reminders. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free to install plan and you're going to get $1 worth of free credits. After that, you're going to be paying on a per message basis, which is typically the case for SMS apps, as each SMS sent out is going to cost some amount of money. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 6 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest 5-star review, this merchant says it's an excellent app, and if you're looking for the best abandoned cart SMS automation app, this is the best one. Next, let's take a look at SMS Abandoned Cart by CartBoss. You can start risk-free in 60 seconds and send up to 100 messages, and it's going to have ready-made and translated recovery flows in 30 plus languages, and it's going to detect the recipient's language automatically. And so this is simple and powerful, and it's going to autofill the checkout with the customer's data and automatically apply any discounts. It's optimized for performance, giving you easy to understand metrics with weekly reports, real-time performance insights. You can also add custom messages and scale your results even further. In terms of pricing, again, it's going to be free to install, and you're going to be paying SMS messaging fees each time a message is sent out, and all the rates are here, and it is different for each country. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 5 stars, which is perfect, with 6 5-star reviews. And the latest review here at the top says it's an outstanding solution, and they have a over 4,000% return on investment, and everything works out of the box. Lastly, we have FastStar SMS and email marketing. So this one's a 4-in-1 app that's going to include emails, web push, and pop-up deals along with SMS recovery notifications. As for the abandoned cart SMS, it's going to allow you to supercharge your checkouts by sending them recovery abandoned cart messages. It's also going to have email marketing built in, so you can send emails to your potential customers promoting new products and deals, making it really easy to get the word out. You can also recapture lost sales with web push notifications, as we can see here in this example. Those can also be effective to getting people to come back and purchase. They also have pop-up discounts to build your lead list, and this is going to make it even easier to send those recovery SMS messages, as you can have access to their contact information, which they gave to you in exchange for a discount. In terms of pricing, there is a free forever plan, but this is only going to apply for development and partner stores. As you start moving into the paid plans, you're going to start at $6.99 a month, and it's going to go up to $29.99 a month, depending on the number of SMS messages sent out, and each of these plans are going to include up to 10,000 emails. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with over 120 5-star reviews. Merchants find this app user-friendly with valuable features like SMS marketing, email flows, and pop-ups. The customer service is also responsive. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once it's set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can understand how much money your store has actually made, taking into account all the different expenses it might have. It's going to include tons of different details, metrics, and analytics so you can start making smarter business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, Bing, and TikTok. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything out for yourself, and there's a link in the description below to the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. As mentioned, there's a 15-day free trial, so make sure you check it out. This is going to conclude the video here on the top SMS abandoned cart apps available for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.